Today, we will talk about joint probability, definition, formula, and example. Joint probability is a statistical measure that calculates the likelihood of two events occurring together and at the same point in time. It's the probability of event Y happening at the same time that event X occurs. Both events must be independent of one another, and joint probabilities can be visualized using Venn diagrams. The formula for joint probability is represented by the probability of events intersection, denoted as P, where X and Y are two different events that intersect. Joint probability measures two events that happen at the same time, and it can only be applied to situations where more than one observation can occur at the same time. Joint probability is a statistical measure that tells you the likelihood of two events taking place at the same time. It is different from conditional probability, which is the probability that one event will happen given that another event occurs. Joint probabilities can be visualized using Venn diagrams, and they indicate the intersection of two or more events. Joint probability should not be confused with conditional probability, which is the probability that one event will happen given that another event occurs. Joint probability only factors in the likelihood of both events occurring, while conditional probability calculates the probability of one event given that another has occurred. To illustrate how joint probability works, let's take an example using dice. If we want to find out the probability of rolling a 4 on each die when you roll them, we can use the joint probability formula to calculate the likelihood of this event taking place at the same time. Here are 5 key takeaways. 1. A joint probability is a statistical measure used to calculate the likelihood of two events taking place at the same time. 2. Both events must be independent of each other. 3. Joint probability is also called the intersection of two or more events. 4. It is different from conditional probability, which refers to the probability that one event will happen when another event takes place. 5. You can visualize joint probabilities using Venn diagrams. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.